Is your Roborock Dyad Pro playing dead? You hit the power button, but it's just unresponsive? The frustrating won't turn on problem is a common complaint we hear from Roborock Dyad Pro owners, and more often than not, it's due to a faulty battery. Over time, the battery in your Dyad Pro can degrade, losing its ability to hold a charge. This can be caused by frequent use, improper charging habits, or simply the battery reaching the end of its lifespan. Ignoring this problem means you're stuck with a useless cleaning tool. Plus, a failing battery can sometimes swell or leak, potentially damaging other components inside your Dyad Pro. And you're thinking, I can fix this myself. We admire the DIY spirit, but hold on a second. Attempting to replace the battery yourself without the proper knowledge and tools can be risky. Incorrect diagnosis. Are you sure it's the battery? There could be a problem with the charging circuit, the power management system, or even the motherboard. Further damage. Mishandling the battery can damage the surrounding electronics, potentially bricking your entire Dyad Pro. Before you risk damaging your Roborock Dyad Pro beyond repair, trust the experts at RoboCare. We'll diagnose the problem correctly, fix it safely, and get you back to sparkling clean floors in no time. Our technicians at RoboCare have specialized training and years of experience diagnosing and repairing Roborock Dyad Pro. We use the right tools, genuine parts, and proven techniques to ensure a safe and effective repair. But don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the remarkable results RoboCare can achieve, bringing your Roborock Dyad Pro back to life. Watch that cleaning power. The Roborock Dyad Pro is back in action, effortlessly tackling even the toughest messes. When we returned the vacuum cleaner, our customer was thrilled with how well it worked. Contact RoboCare today for expert vacuum repair and all your vacuum maintenance needs. Visit our website or call us now